So I wasn't really a big fan of how the last person set this up, so let's clean it up a little bit. Okay. And before you go touching any wires, make sure you're safe. Turn off that power. So I don't like the way this is exposed over here. So let's cut this all out. Take one of these. We are going to, as you can see, nice and tucked in, not too exposed. All right, perfect. Then let's just tuck that in there. That's good. These are the ones you want to be careful with because these are the hot wires. So we'll make sure that these are not exposed as much as those are. Okay. We'll do the same thing with these. Okay. Down like that. Okay. And then last but not least, we will use this fucking wire to attach and latch. And the last piece right here, brand new one. Okay. So we're gonna do it like that. Always make sure the hook goes in the same direction as your screw. Adds better protection. Doesn't come loose later on in life. Let's tuck that in. Aye. Okay. So now we have everything nice and separate, nice and clean, unlike that fucking mess that we've seen before. Okay. We will screw this in first. Okay. Screw this in second. Because we're going to keep this on, this is automatic, it turns on and off, but you want to keep the camera constantly on, and you don't want people to turn it off. What we're going to do, install these. This will be closed off so that we don't turn it off by accident, and this one stays on for that light right there. Okay, so let's get to it. It comes with a bracket to simulate this part that goes into the wall, and then the plastic piece will screw into this part, this hole right here. Okay, so basically it looks like that. Oopsie. So basically it looks like this. Quick note, it does have a male and a female, so maybe a male and a female, so maybe you would want to put these two together first before you try to install one side. I did not realize that. So this is how it's supposed to look like. Let's screw these in. I'll need my other hand. And there you have it, folks. I didn't realize that this was off-white. We'll replace that, but this is how it's supposed to look. You have one side is blank, the other side you have a switch. Now let's go on, power these up. So as you can see now, power is on. despite the fact that this is now gone. And then this activates the light. Hooray!